Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you that how to increase the font size of Python ideally. So let's start. Then open the Python ideally, just double click, then it will be open. Now you can see that here font size is very small. So then how to increase the font size? It is very easy steps, just carefully you will watch it. Here all the menu options is given: file menu, edit menu, cell, debug, options, window and help. You will go to the option menu, then configure ideally. Now you can see here in the fonts, first options is fonts. So then in the fonts all the style also is given. Any styles you can click it if you want to change the style also, and then afterwards size also. And even if you want to do all the letters are bold, then it is also possible. Just click it here. I do not want to change it, just I want to change now font size. Now 10 already is given, so I am taking now 25. See the big size. Okay, before you want to change the font size, if you want to just check it just like a review, so then you just click it in the apply. Okay, so now you can see that if suppose I want to change now in the font style, so just click it in the apply. Look at already change like this. It will become anything. You can just write which one you will be like it. Any font style you can take it. I like Gorgia, so I will take this one, and then font size. Then afterwards press the OK button. If you do not want to review, want to see that directly, you will just press it in the OK button. Then it is already changed. Now you just check it. For example, A equal to 45 already came. Now this is the Python interactive mode. Python screen has two mode: interactive mode and script mode. This is the interactive mode. Now you will change to the script mode also. Just check it. Already it's changed in the Python ideally. One place is changed, so then both the places it will be displayed. So now file menu, new file, then its script mode is open. Now if you will write A equal to 67. See, already here is also changed the font size. I hope that this video is very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.